Kami, pelajar SPM 2026.
Masih mencari arah.
Masih tertanya-tanya.
Kadang kami takut.
Kami ada harapan.
Kami ada impian.
Penat, ragu, hampir mengalah.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy.
Mata pelajaran semuanya meningkat berkurang. Alhamdulillah kita berhasil untuk tingkatan 5. Begitu semua guru yang telah menyediakan calon-calon SPM 2025.
We can live in a world that we desire.
Hari ini, kami pilih untuk berusaha. Kami pilih untuk berubah.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
yeah.
and the world's gonna know your name.
Kami, pelajar SPM dan SPPM tahun 2026. Kami janji akan buat yang terbaik. Kami janji.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Cause there's gonna be a day